Hey YouTube family, welcome to another video. Hope everyone is doing well. If you're new here and you like what you see, subscribe. But to all my old timers, thank you for coming back to watch another video. In today's video, it is a unboxing, but I don't know what's in this box. My birthday is next week, so whenever you're watching this video, I don't know when, I'm gonna upload it as soon as I can. My birthday is July 17th in a few days, and I have plant mail from the Plant Bestie. It's my Plant Bestie Keisha Adinkra. If you guys don't know her already, you guys are missing out. She has a phenomenal YouTube channel. I'm always talking about her. We're always traveling together. We live in separate states. Yes, we do, but we're always traveling together. We're always doing something together. She has a fantastic YouTube, blog, Instagram, social media page. So check her out in case you guys didn't know. Let me make sure you guys don't see my address, trying to find out where I live. But she sent me this for my birthday, and her instructions were to open it immediately, which one I failed on, and two, record when I'm opening it. So let's see. I failed on the first one because this came yesterday. I was at work, and then when I got home from work, I had a family function that I had to get to, and it didn't happen. So now it's Sunday morning, 7:10 in the morning. Do you guys see that? 7:10. Early morning things right now. Early morning things. And I'm opening it as soon as possible. So without further ado, let's see what surprise birthday gift she got me. I'm thinking it's a plant because it's from the company The Prickly Patch. I'm thinking it's a plant. I don't see what else it could be if I have to open it immediately. And the box says fragile, handle with care. Thank you, Mr. Postman or Mrs. Postman. Please handle my stuff with care. Ready? What do you see? Ooh. There's more than one things in here. There's more than one things in here. Okay, so there's more than one things in here. Alright. Let's make space. Oh, what is the first one? Okay, so the first one says string of turtle. You guys can't, all this light, I know, but you guys need the light to see, so I'll just tell you what it says. Just trust me, alright? Trust me. It says what I'm going to tell you it says. Don't worry about it if it says. Just trust me. String of turtles, Peperomia prostrata. She really did her thing. I'm trying not, I could make a mess. I'm outside. I'm just so giddy. Oh my. Oh. Yeah, let's see. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Look at it. Oh my gosh. It looks like little turtle shells. Can you guys see? Let me see. There you go. Do you guys see that? That is a string of turtles. Oh. Oh, it has the little trail already. Oh my gosh, thank you. Oh wow, it looks so healthy. Oh wow. Oh, it has some more trails. I'm not trying to pick them up all to damage the plant. But there we go. My string of turtles. I love my preference. I love vining. Any kind of vining or trailing plant is just my preference. And I've always wanted a string of turtles. Thank you. Okay, let's put it down. The next one. Oh, 2 string of turtles. She knows. Put them together. Make it nice and full. So the same thing, string of turtles. So we got 2 of those. Oh, and they came wrapped so good. And today's plant day, by the way. Today's Sunday, so this is where I do a lot of plant care, a lot of plant maintenance. So I will spend some time like potting these up, watering them if they need to be. Ready? Oh, there's dirt, obviously, because it's dirt. But look. Oh my jeez. Oh. Okay, a small piece fell off. No, minor setbacks. Oh my gosh. Look. Okay, so I am definitely going to let them be in their nursery pot for a while, which is a lesson that I've learned. Being a new plant parent, I don't want to put too much stress of, I was going to say repacking them, Lord have mercy, of repotting them right away. Because, you know, they already had so much stress traveling from, oh, wait there, where Prickly Patch there? Prickly Patch is from Florida, and I live in New York, so all that across the nation in this box, yeah, all that traveling, I'll leave you guys alone, let you guys be. Might leave you outside in the gazebo for a little bit, let you guys get some fresh air, and then over time repot it. But it looks like little, it looks so adorable. You guys see? Oh, it's so adorable. I don't know if I should put them together in one pot, nice and full, because I love plants that are nice and full and trailing, or do I separate them and put them one each and put them in different parts of my house? Don't know yet. Something to think about. But video will be, if you guys want to see a video on that, of me repotting them and what I decide to do, let me know in the comment section. And there's still more. I know what it is. She got the idea. She got it. Forget it. Don't leave a comment. I already know what I'm going to do. She got it. She got it. She knows me. She knows me. She knows me. The last gift is a pot. She knows. She knows. She knows. You see, when she just gets me. This is what she gets me. She knows. She knows. Let me just assume. First of all, I know the pot is white because I only do white planters and white pots. So you can tell already it's white. But it's a shape. If this is a turtle, I'm gonna die. Oh, it's so much fun. Okay. I think it's a turtle. Let's see, ready? Oh, it's a turtle. It's a turtle. Oh. Oh my god. Oh, I have to probably cut the light down for you guys to see. It's a turtle. Look at his face. Ready? Let's see. I'm gonna have to probably show you guys inside. But it's a turtle, you guys. Look at his little body. So, she knows. Like, she gets me. I like to put them together. Okay, this can't fit right now. Okay, this is not. But I'm gonna put them together. And then it's just gonna. Do you see the visual? But do you get it? Do you see the visual? Because I see the visual. And it's just gonna, you know, string down the back of the turtle. You get the visual, right? I have no words. It's the cutest thing. And I'm a cutesy girl. I'm a girly girl. I'm a cutesy girl. Things like this makes me happy. Like, I'm the epitome of the cutesy girly girl corniness. And this is just everything to me. Everything. This is a, thank you, a thoughtful, everything is so me. It's white. It's, look at the little tail. You see the little turtle? Look at him. Look at him. I want you to see his face. Too much light. Light. Where the light that come from? Look at his little face. This is gorgeous. This is perfect. I just have to execute a plan of how I'm gonna put it in here and repot it. I'm thinking it doesn't have a drainage hole, but you know, I have my drill. I can drill a hole in it easy. 1, 2, 3, no problem. I can drill a hole in it right there. And then do I plant them directly? Or do I just leave it as it is, put them in something else and then put it in that? I don't know. But if you guys want to see a video on how I decide to style it in the string of turtles in the turtle pot, let me know. But I'm super excited and I'm so thankful. Thank you so much. It's like one of the best ever. Let me give you the visual again. Do you guys see the visual? Do you see it? Do you see how stinking cute this is? With both of them in there, and then when it really starts to trail. Thankful. I'm thankful and I'm just happy and I'm just so thankful. Thank you so much for, this is everything right now. Everything. But that's all. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And thank you so much, Keisha. Of course, you guys make sure you check out her YouTube channel, check out all her social media profiles. And thank you. Thank you. I really appreciate it. One of the best birthday gifts ever. I mean, the other gifts you got me in the past were pretty awesome too. Pretty stinking awesome. Every year you outdo yourself, but thank you so much. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Have a great day. Bye. Well, let me know if you want to see that video when I decide to take care of the situation here and plant it in here. I gotta, get the thought process going. If you guys have any suggestions, leave it in the comment section. If you have a string of turtles, I'm talking to you sitting there, if you have one and you know how to take care of it. Like, I have a general idea, right? But if you want to give me some tips, leave it in the comment section. I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you. Alright, bye.